Another day, another glass of matcha. I'm in my room right now, guys. Chill muna kasi sobrang init sa labas. Look at my room. And after I finish this matcha, pupunta na ako sa isang beach club dito sa Bali. So, ang travel time is, I think, approximately like 30 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes. So, medyo malayo-layo siya. And I still have time, and I hope na hindi umulan. I hope. So, this is my 3 out of 3 days dito sa Bali. So, I still have 3 days left. And this is my 3rd day. Kasi 6 days lang ako dito. And so far, so good. I enjoyed strolling around. But wala akong tour kasi sa holiday ko dito ngayon. Kasi on my previous visit dito, ay sobrang busy kasi ang daming tours. But right now, I decided na chill lang, like stroll around dito sa Canggu and chill. No rush. And by the way, guys, day 2 vlog here in Bali is now ready for you to watch on my YouTube channel. So I just uploaded it this morning. That vlog was all about yesterday. So you should check it out. And also check out kung hindi nyo pa natingnan yung day 1, you should also check it out. And ngayon, I'm doing the day 3 vlog and it will be uploaded tomorrow. So, kasi ginawa ko siyang hobby na like, after finishing the vlog, edit, upload, like, parang hindi na ako, kasi pag maabutan pa siya ng few days, wala na, stuck na siya sa gallery ko, and I don't have motivation na to upload, to edit, so, yun, same sa nangyayari sa previous vlogs ko, like, 1 year bago ma-upload, 1 year bago ma-edit, so this time, I'm trying my best na ma-edit agad, ma-upload agad, para hindi na ma-stuck, hindi na mabulok sa ko, sa gallery ko. I'll just finishing my matcha and I'm gonna go na. Another day, another white outfit. Yeah, white again. On my previous 2 days here in Bali, I was wearing white. The first one was with pink stripes. Yesterday was all white, and now all white. I love white. So I think that's all, guys, kasi I'm gonna get ready na. And pupunta na ako sa beach club and to watch sunset and to socialize other people. Bye, guys! Don't forget to watch my vlogs on my YouTube channel. Dapat niyong ma-check. Bye! How can I end this live? I can't end the live.